Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Audi R8 with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials like large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and strong adhesive. You'll also need detailed blueprints or templates of the Audi R8 to guide your cuts. Don't forget a ruler, measuring tape, and a cutting mat for precise work. Planning is key to a successful and impressive cardboard replica, so take your time with this initial preparation phase. Now, let's start building the core structure. Carefully cut out the main chassis pieces from your cardboard, following your templates precisely. Assemble the base frame, making sure it's strong and perfectly level to support the rest of the car. For added durability, reinforce any critical stress points with 2 or 3 extra layers of cardboard. This foundational step is crucial for the overall stability of your Audi R8 model. With the chassis complete, it's time to bring the Audi R8's iconic look to life. Carefully shape and attach the body panels, such as the doors and fenders, ensuring smooth curves. Pay close attention to creating the distinctive Audi R8 grille and headlight housings. Then, use smaller cardboard pieces to add intricate details like side vents and mirrors, giving your model a realistic and polished appearance. Precision here makes a huge difference. For the final touches, consider applying a protective coating or paint to your cardboard Audi R8 to enhance its durability and visual appeal. You can also add interior elements like seats and a dashboard to increase the realism of your model. Finally, create wheels from layered cardboard or other suitable materials to complete your impressive, handcrafted Audi R8. Enjoy showcasing your unique and detailed creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.